okay, Jack?
Yes.
You got everything you need? I mean, I've got a little stash if you need something softer.
Toilet paper?
No, I mean a little something, you know, next time you need to use the bathroom, you know, freshen up a little.
Oh, no, darling. I don't do that anymore.
Well, what?
No, I just needed the loo. I have a little bladder problem at the moment. Do you have anything to eat?
To?
Eat.
But Jax, we're just about to go out.
I have to eat something.
Eddie, darling, we're ready to go. All right, where's my cigarettes? Yes, darling, we will be going soon. But look, Eddie, there's no rush about this. This is not the sort of club that you arrive at early. Now, let's be cool about it, babe. The thing is that,
What?
Jax is...
Oh, Jax what? Jax what?
Not I. I'm feeling a little peckish. So have you got any of those, food things? Oh, cheers. Delicious. All right, all right.
Let's notify my next of kin. This will shout